Hey, what's up, peeps? You know, I have a little buddy here called Brushy, one string. This man is a Jamaican. He's a Jamaican man, and he's a Jamaican artist as well. He sings and he plays his guitar. I first know Brushy one string on Digital Rising Star, and I always love this man music and singing since. You understand? So yeah, I actually followed him on YouTube as well, and I saw this song he called Chicken in the Corn, right? This song is so catchy. The chorus is good, the song is good. The way he plays guitar is just marvelous, outstanding. You understand? And he only played on one string. So I bought this little guitar here. It's not 100% good, and for your reassurance, I cannot play guitar. You understand? I'm a drummer, and I grew up around music, you know, going to setups and all of that. You know, I'm Jamaican, so we have the setup, we have all of these little things. And you know, I grew up in church. I first started playing drums in church. I learned from church, yeah. So yes, and I just say, you know what, I will play the song here on YouTube with Brushy one string playing, you know, his song Chicken in the Corn, and I will try to play along with him. I know I will mess up, hopefully not, but I will try my best. But yes, guys, I will start the song now.
One string guitarist right in and around the world saying, I am what I am, I am the day I am that I am, exclusive. Sure. Watch this. You know my name is Brushy One String, you know. I've been to San Francisco, that's where I see my friend Pancho. He said, hey, One String, there's something you got to know, you know. I said, yeah. While we back on San Francisco, where we go. We sing this whole country song like this. Chicken in the corn, on the corn can grow, mama. Hey, one chicken in the corn, on the corn can grow. Hey, one chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow, mama. Hey, one chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow. Hey, young man, we're on San Francisco. Yeah, we have a coffee and it's the most natural. Yeah, it's a one string, the song you got to know. No saddles and the races, where we go. Chicken in the corn, when the corn can grow, mama. Hey, when chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow. Hey, when chicken in the corn, when the corn can grow, mama. Hey, when chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow. Hey, down eat your bread, don't eat your boat. I can rub it for people when they boat you go. When I'm music and I so ready to drive for the balls and street without black bass. When it is no she ever get off string, so rap your music and let you sing. When we doesn't really matter all people wanna say, I rap my music. Now tell me, rap my music now and then. When chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow, mama. Hey, when chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow. Now, chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow, mama. Hey, when chicken in the corn, so the corn can grow.
Wow. Yes, guys, I've been practicing this for a very long time, and as I say, I doesn't know nothing about guitar. I don't take no lessons. I don't do nothing. I just buy a guitar and say, you know what, I'm gonna teach myself. I have few friends that do busking, that play guitar, and I never try to take lessons. So yes guys, I don't know what you think. I know I'm not a guitar specialist, I'm not a guitarist, you know, I'm just trying, you know. So you guys tell me what you think down below. This is Brushy 1 string, Jamaican artist song, Chicken in the Corn. Yes guys, take your chicken out your corn, okay.